Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to help you solving this problem. How do you unhide columns in Excel? But I'm not going to only show you how to unhide, but I'll provide you with the way to hide the column as well, because otherwise you're gonna be confused how to do both things, right? Okay, now let's hide this column, two columns. Let's not just one column. We want to hide two columns. So I will choose this column NG, F and G. So just select them, click, hold, and release. Bam. Now we have two columns selected. Now to hide those two columns, just right click, okay, and then choose hide column F and G. As you can see now we have this double line, okay. So this one is got one line, and this one got double line. So the problem is how do we unhide? Okay, so if you try by clicking this and right click, you won't find any unhide option. Just like when you choose H, there's no unhide option. Or click in here, there's no unhide option. Okay, so to unhide those column, you need to select E and H. So two columns between these two lines. Okay, select them and then right click, and then now you have option to unhide column. So just click in it, and bam, now we have our F and G column backs. So that's a simple way to unhide your columns. um so that's it, that's all. If you have any more question or this trick doesn't work on you, you can put it on the comment box, ask anything. I hope I will have time to reply on you in the future. So that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in another tutorial. Bye bye.